Good morning, traders. Welcome to this week's cryptocurrency market analysis webinar. I hope you all had a great week. Right, so that is the big Bitcoin chart on the screen. Has been on a bearish trend for almost 12 months now. And right now, the social media, Twitter, Facebook is abuzz with the different opinions on the crypto market. Some saying Bitcoin will see again 69,000. Some saying Bitcoin in the crypto market, it's over for the crypto market. So we simply just look at the technicals, and that's where all our answers are. So as far as the fundamentals, yes, we don't ignore the fundamentals, but you cannot control the fundamentals, and we cannot predict the chart based on the fundamentals, because the market reacts to the market reacts to the fundamentals. So even if you know what is being said as far as the fundamentals are concerned, you do not know how the market is going to react to that news. And we use the ELLIOTTWAVE strategy, and the ELLIOTTWAVE strategy is based on market psychology. So that is that the market is driven by the psychology of the traders. All right, so let's have a look at Bitcoin. We've been spot on for on Bitcoin with this bearish trend for some time now. And if we just have a look here, this chart that we've shared here on the 1 hour. Now, this is actually the latest one. I wanted to see one where we forecasted the move from right here at about 48,000, focusing that we're going to see even 20,000. One of the themes in our previous videos was whether we're going to see Bitcoin trade below 20,000, and we have already traded below 20,000. We've touched 17,000 on Bitcoin. So where to next for Bitcoin? Stay tuned, and that is what we're going to be looking at today. Right, so let's have a look here. If you'd like to contact us, our course is currently underway. Right, we currently are left with 2 days of the course, of the 10-day course. If you'd like to join our course, you can do so by going to our website. Now, talking about our website, to get our contact details and our website information, that is the link there. If you just click onto that link, it will take you straight to our website. And for our day-to-day posts and updates, you can follow us on our social media pages, Twitter and Facebook, on the description of all our videos on YouTube. Right, so we have got our next course is going to run in September. We're going to have the next live course in September. As I keep saying, the course is the basics and advanced principles of the ELLIOTTWAVE theory. Okay, so this theory is applicable on any market, whether it is the Forex market, the crypto market, the indices, stocks, you name it. So if you learn the theory, regardless of the market that you're trading, you can apply this strategy and it can work accurately for you. And as I just wanted to show you here, you'll see that we have been spot on with analysis on Bitcoin. I mean, you just have to watch our videos, our previous videos, and see what we have been forecasting on the structure. So this is one here. I just want to show you here. This is the forecast that we've got here on Bitcoin before the down move here. So look at this one here. We wanted this one here to come here at 48,000 and then the drop. If I just zoom in here so you can see this chart here. So this was the chart from, let me zoom in here. You can see 3rd April, where we were seeing that pullback after the break from 69,000. So we came from 69,000. We were pulling back, and some were saying, hey, Bitcoin is going to retest the 69,000 again. But we were seeing the cycle to the downside. We said, let's expect this one to push a little bit higher here around 48,000 before we get the drop. And you'll see that is exactly what we've got. I'm just giving you the history here so you can see where we're coming from and why we're focusing the market like that. Let's have a look here on the next one here and how it has eventually played out. Look at how that plays out. Inch perfect, and this is how we forecasted this one here. So look at this one here at 48,000. We forecasted this 22,000 move down to about 25,000 at the time. Now, even at 25,000, you can see what we were saying. We were saying we were in wave 4. We still anticipate that we're going to see 20,000. That's why in one of our videos, we asked the question, are we going to see 20,000 on Bitcoin? And we have already reached this level and even lowered at around 17,000. Now you'll see this setup here on another chart. We had this setup like this, expecting this one to do this and then upside. Let's have a look at that on our Slack channel. So then we can look at what the move is, what is the anticipation, going forward. Now, this is the latest one here at the end. Even after we've touched 25,000, we still said the cycle on Bitcoin is still showing us that we're going to see more downside. Look at that. So that is now a closer look of how we were forecasting this one here, that we're going to see another leg down to 20,000, which you have already seen here as well. Let's see how it has already played out. That is Bitcoin. Okay, so you can see here another 14K move. So we forecasted the 22,000 move from 48,000, and from again from the pullback at about 32,000, and forecasted on another 14,000. So already a $34,000 move to the downside, to $34,000 move to the downside from Bitcoin since this pullback here. All right, so now I'm not showing you this to break. I'm showing you this so you can get perspective why we have been bearish. Now I'm going to look at a chart on our website just to show you the detail of this move here to the downside and what we're expecting here with that. So let's have a look here on the website and look at Bitcoin. So this is our website. Our website is trading-waves.com. Let's have a look here, and then we're going to go to cryptocurrencies. Let's have a look here at crypto Bitcoin. I'm going to show you the detail in the 1 hour so you can see where we're going from here. Let's have a look here. Now, this is on the 1 hour on Bitcoin. Now, we are in this green degree. We're anticipating that whatever is happening with Bitcoin, this current move. So what has happened so far? We're anticipating that this is going to make a move here. It's going to make a move. We're still anticipating downside. We're anticipating that whatever move is happening currently on Bitcoin is a corrective structure, and we're still going to see more downside because that 5 waves, that right degree that I've shown you, that wave 4 that we've been waiting to play out, is currently underway with this green degree. This green degree, the 5 waves that we're looking for is in the green degree, and that is why we are still bearish. Now here we've got a purple degree here, expecting this wave 4 in green to complete. Okay, so we are currently playing out like this. Bitcoin is currently doing this. So this structure may even do this. We may not even have this B here. We may have a simple B instead of a complex one, where it comes up here, comes down here before there any reversal. So let's have a look here, closer look on Bitcoin in the 1 hour and see what we're getting there. So let's have a look here. So that is the structure on Bitcoin. So very likely that at current levels, we may see Bitcoin come down here around this level. Make a move like that. Let's not make it too big. Make a move back, make a move like that, which will be making this structure here, making this structure like that. That is that wave 4 that we're talking about, and then do this. But there's also a possibility that we don't really come here and test the low here. We just have this one as all the correction, makes a move to around 24,000, gives us one more down, and then we start seeing, we complete then that 5 waves. Only then are we going to start looking for signs of reversal around this level on Bitcoin. But so far, we're still seeing downside. And this structure, you're going to see in most of the cryptocurrencies, this current one here. And that is what I'm going to show you for the rest of the cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, making the exact same structure. As you can see, are we going to reverse? You can see Ethereum has already made the zigzag. So likely that Bitcoin can also make this 3-wave pullback here with a zigzag. We're going to have this one coming around this level, push up here, make one more down. Let's see what we get from there. But there's no sign of reversal here. And the 1 hour is showing us quite a bullish move. So we can see Ethereum push a little bit higher before any reversal. Litecoin also making a simple move here. This is 3 waves up. This is 3 waves back on Litecoin. So we could expect another 3 waves to around this level on Litecoin before any reversal. Now, you don't want to sell at this level. We've already dropped so high. Remember, the idea is to sell high and buy low. Now here you are very low. You don't want to sell low. So you'd want to wait for this one to start giving you indication of reversals if you do get. But if there's no indication of reversal and you get a sell setup, then you can start looking at it. At this stage, the sell setup is not convincing. The buy setup is not convincing. Rather sit on your hands for now. Okay, now here we've got XRP. You can see they're just giving us pullbacks for now. So we want to see what we're going to get out of these pullbacks going into the new trading week. In fact, Ripple could be giving us an expanding flat like this, which is a move like that, and then we start seeing more downside here first on Ripple. And that is the structure on the rest of the cryptos, just that pullback and expectation for this to start continuing to the downside. So if you look at Dogecoin, starting to show some bullish signs there. Let's have a look here on Dogecoin. Will this be sustainable? Let's see here. And I've shown this structure here before. Let's see here if this is going to be sustainable, because for Dogecoin, this is the move 1, 2, 3. Could it be done and we start seeing upside? We could get this one making one more down here before we push to the upside, but all we're waiting for is those confirmations. When we start breaking out of these structures, we know that we're going to go all the way to the upside. But so now, for now, just hang on 10 and wait for a move for confirmation. Now this is ADA showing us this move here, but we cannot really take much into this for now. And the last one that I'm going to show is Binance. Let's have a look at Binance. Now, Binance is interesting because it has made what looks like a complex structure here. So we've got a structure like this on Binance. We've got that, and this is now a complex structure with a purple complex B here. Could we start seeing Binance make a move to the upside from here? This is going to be a very interesting structure. If we start getting a move here, that could be a very nice bullish move on Binance for more upside. I'm going to be monitoring this very closely because it looks like we may be about to make that move, but we need to get that confirmation. You may see that this one makes one more down here first before we start seeing the reversal and this one breaking out of this structure. So this one should give us direction, should be a clear one to tell us whether we're going to start seeing a bounce in the cryptocurrencies. And that's all I have for you this week, guys. Trade responsibly, and if you like our content, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you've not already done so, and hit that bell notification button so you get an alert the next time we upload a video. Trade responsibly. Have a great week, everybody. Cheers. Bye-bye.